Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about what are the boundaries of India. So first question, what are the boundaries of India? Right. East, Bay of Bengal. First one. Second one, West, Arabian Sea. Third one, North, Himalayas. And the last one, fourth one, South, Indian Ocean. These are the main boundaries of India. I will show in map pointing now, please. Right, I want to show in map pointing. That is east. This is east, and this is west, and you know very well this is North Himalayas, and south, this is Indian Ocean, West, Arabian Sea. As you know that, even though I will tell you only one time, East, Bay of Bengal. These are the boundaries of India. And another points also there. So many, teachers are asking only one question, very important question. That is related, which countries are sharing boundary with the Indian country. Already I told you, but listen all of you carefully. So these countries are sharing with the boundary. I will tell you in simple code, A, B, B, C, M, N, P. A means what? Afghanistan. B means what? Bhutan. Another B means what? That is Bangladesh. And C means what? China. M means, this is a previous name, that is Burma, but now Myanmar. M-Y-A-N-M-A-R, Myanmar. N means what? Nepal. P means last one, Pakistan. These are the, countries sharing boundary with the India. Already means previously I told you what are the boundaries of India. This is very important topic for 6th, 7th and 8th class students. Please, thank you. Have a nice day. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please